music. To the music. It turned out to be food for the soul. Food for the soul. Food for the soul.
Hey guys, my name is Ashley. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are doing an extreme clean of my toddler's bedroom. As you guys can tell, it is severely needed. Just want to quickly say for anybody new here, I do share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get two different houses on one channel. That's also two uploads per week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified every single time we upload a brand new video. But as you guys can see, I am starting off in this room with the bed. We finally transferred the baby into a toddler bed. I know he's not a baby, but to us, he's the baby because he's the youngest. So I just wanted to quickly get in here and just clean everything out, take everything out, mop, sweep, dust down, get the baseboards and everything like that. So that way he has a nice clean bedroom. Plus, honestly, it just needed it regardless of the situation. So I do hope you enjoyed today's content. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe share it out if you're feeling, a little bit generous. And I hope you enjoy the music. And I will be popping in and out here and there throughout the video.
Talk to me, wanna know why you believe that you're not my type. Truthfully, you'll be all mine, all mine, all mine. Talk to me, wanna know why you believe that you're not my type. Truthfully, you'll be all mine, all mine, all mine. I wanna put you in my pocket, take you everywhere I go, everywhere I go. I wanna put you in my pocket, take you everywhere I go, everywhere I go. Truthfully, you'll be all mine, all mine, all mine. Talk to me, wanna know why you believe that you're not my type. Truthfully, you'll be all mine, all mine, all mine. I wanna put you in my pocket, take you everywhere I go, everywhere I go. I wanna put you in my pocket, take you everywhere I go, everywhere I go.
I'm just trying to give you guys a close-up of all the dirt and whatever it might be, dust, dog hair all over the floor, so that way you guys can see the trouble that I'm in for not doing all of this when I should have done it a while ago. But honestly, I do it frequently. It's just his door in his room where it is the crossway of the entrance and the back door, so he gets both whams at the same time. So I think that's why I have to do it so constantly, because honestly, I just vacuumed his room about maybe about a week or so, not even. Yeah, about a week and some change, and it's already this bad. But I do, I don't know if you guys noticed earlier, I did take out his floor mat, and I do want to get him either another floor mat or get him a little area, like an area rug or something, which I think I'm aiming more towards an area rug, because he's been picking at the floor mat and he's got chunks missing out of it and everything like that. So yeah, but now I'm just going to go in and sweep up the area. I know I'm a little bit all over the place, but I was very overwhelmed. I was like ping-ponging back and forth here and there, but as you guys can tell, I am getting it done. But I honestly should have, like, when I get overwhelmed, I forget how to clean. I really honestly should have just started from top, bottom, left to right, and it would have been a lot easier on me, but I wasn't thinking, and I kind of just went for it. So if I had just did what I used to do with cleaning, is just start from the left and make my way around the room instead of just going back and forth, if that makes any sense. But now I'm just trying to move the dresser out of the way, get behind there, which I haven't moved that bad boy in a long time. And then, just kind of go from there. Just move everything out of the way, sweep, and then we get into mopping the floors after we're done sweeping and stuff.
I ain't tripping on yesterday, forgetting all of my mistakes. And now I'm on my own, yeah. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I ain't tripping on yesterday, forgetting all of my mistakes. And now I'm on my own, yeah. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I don't wanna keep on second guessing, guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Useless. I'm not in useless. I don't wanna keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I ain't tripping on yesterday, forgetting all of my mistakes. And now I'm on my own, yeah. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I ain't tripping on yesterday, forgetting all of my mistakes. And now I'm on my own, yeah. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah. I don't wanna keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Useless. I'm not in useless. I don't wanna keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Travel down the road, I walk alone, yeah.
So I'm just going to finish quickly mopping up this side of the room, and then we move on to the right side of this bedroom, which was actually a bit more dustier than the other side, which makes no sense to me because I don't know, there was less stuff, I guess, on this side, and I never seen it. So I assumed that there was going to be less dirt and dust, but I guess I was completely wrong.
Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction. Show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction. Show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Only you, only you, only you, only you can turn me on. Only you, only you. Love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Just glossy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall off. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. Why you acting like you gotta wait for it, honey? I know I've been in your head like shea butter, honey. You go out and tell your friends that we ain't none. They be in the group chat knowing that it ain't 100. Tell your ex-man brush up on his openers, cause I'm in California trying to put you where the ocean is. Hit the text late like you just now opened it. Yeah, I believe that. Oh, and I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just glossy, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall.
So I totally forgot that I had to wipe down on the top of the dresser. So I'm just going to wipe down the TV, the dresser, move those shoes out of the way, get everything that doesn't belong there off of there, and just give it a nice little wipe down.
She was playing volleyball. I never miss her phone call. She's got me doing somersaults. I swear to God, I think I felt my heart fall. She likes the way I play the game, but once it gets late and over, there's no peace of mind. Asking me why, I don't wanna lie.
Okay guys, and that will wrap it up for today's video. I do want to say once more, thank you again for choosing to watch my video and sticking out all the way to the end. And if you haven't yet, please just oh my god, please consider subscribing. Stay tuned for Courtney's video on Saturday. And I know it doesn't look like a big improvement, but all that matters is that his room is deep cleaned and he can sleep in here peacefully. But I will see you guys in my brand new video next week. So stay tuned for that and stay tuned for Courtney's. Bye guys.
Between friends and lovers, when you find the time and we talk under the covers, I just wanna dance when we're talking on the phone. Can I hold your hand when we take the long way home? I can't get enough, you're my favorite drug. Just give me some love. She knows her way around the place. Call me later, but forgot my name.